प्रत्येक कावंटर जन औषधी केंद्राचे हांव आतां डायरेक्टर DFD आतां डायरेक्शन दितलो टू सेक्रेटरी की हे सर्क्युलर काडपाक प्रत्येक फार्मसीक पावतली सर्क्युलर की प्रत्येक फार्मसी गोंय राज्यान जी चलता ते आमकां कंपल्सरी थंय एक कावंटर जन औषधीचे करूंक जाय. आमचे डॉक्टर्स जे आसा आमच्या देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीचे जे विजन जे सामान्य मनशाक आमी अफोर्डेबल आमी मेडिसिन्स उपलब्ध करून दिवंक जाय. डॉक्टरांक बी डायरेक्शन वयतलें की तेणी जेन्ना हें दिता प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दिता ते जेनेरीक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन दितलें. जर मनशाक वचून आमी जर जेनेरीक दिलें ते वचून दुसऱ्याक येता ते दॅट इज देयर चॉयस. बट वी वील सी दॅट एवरी डॉक्टर gives a prescription for generic medicine. To make medicine affordable to the poor people and reduce with the vision of the Prime Minister. There is nothing from my point. Whatever the Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has already planned out. In Goa, what we need to do is make Goa a model state. All these mohalla clinics and all of AAP and all in Delhi are a farce. They don't even have MBBS doctors there. We are trying to see that our sub-health centers, our RMDs, we need to upgrade sub-health centers to RMD. All these things we are doing, all in process. I am very hopeful from the Chief Minister that he will bring a good budget that will help us implement the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister in the state of Goa.
It's a welcome move. The government of Goa is also working very hard in promoting generic medicine. The initiative of Prime Minister Modi ji is there to promote generic medicine so that common people should get generic medicines at an affordable price. And this move will definitely help the people of Goa to get medicines at a very affordable price. Basically, generic medicine is the medicine which has been procured from one of the reputed manufacturers. There is no compromise on quality. The medicines which have been of brand and generic, both are of same quality. There is no compromise at all on any quality. Only the price is much lesser in generic medicine. Basically क्या असता कि patients they cannot afford the medicines, but still sometimes they have been forced to take a branded medicine. Nowadays doctors are also promoting generic medicine a lot. We are getting a prescriptions in a generic name from many of the doctors. Only few doctors who are not still promoting generic medicine, I request from your medium that they also to promote a generic medicine so that most of the people get this benefit of generic medicine. We procure these medicines from the reputed manufacturers. Like this is the medicines which is their content is telmisartan 40 mg, amlodipine 5 mg. This is the content of the medicine, and this medicine is manufactured from Hetero. Hetero is one of the leading manufacturer, and we myself have visited this plant, have seen their facility. Then and at last we have finalized the manufacturing of this medicine from these companies. We have done the manufacturing done from Acumes also. So this is the medicine been manufactured with Acumes, and these Acumes are the Asia's biggest manufacturer. They have having more than 13 plants in India and one of the leading manufacturers in Asia. So we are not compromising on quality at all. All these medicines are being manufactured at a WHO GMP certified plant. So that we give our best of the best quality medicines to the people of India, and these medicines are being also exported across the globe by India, and India is the leading exporter for this generic medicine. सध्या आमचे 4 स्टोर आसात. सध्या आमचे म्हापसा गिरी एक आसा स्टोर एंटिला जेनेरिक मेडिसीन. पणजे 18 जून रोडाचेर आमचो एक स्टोर आसा. फोंडा आसा दादा वैद्य चौक थंयसर, आनी चिकालीम सर्कला कडेन आमचो एक स्टोर आसा. वी आर वेरी सून ओपनिंग अ स्टोर इन मारगांव. We are also starting a new initiative which is known as Generic Wani Doctor Ki Zubani. So basically आमी आतां डॉक्टरां कडेन वयतले, and आमी डॉक्टरां कडल्यान we will take the feedback from the doctor on the generic medicine, so that whatever the doctors have been given a feedback on generic medicine, we will be promoting that and making awareness in the general public, so that the people लोकांचो जो विश्वास आसा तो जनरिकाचेर आनीक जावचो आनी they come forward to take the generic medicine. So this is the initiative we are starting very soon. Generic Wani Doctor Ki Zubani हे आमी स्टार्ट करता, so that लोकांक आमच्या जनरिका बद्दल चड अवेरनेस जावचें and they come forward to take the generic medicine.